REPAIR-ME-RINSE Reconstructing Conditioner. Reconstructing Strengthening Conditioner with Shea Butter and Aloe Vera extracts that gently lubricates hair strands to help protect from damage, enhance manageability and provide a reflective shine. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Ingredients: Shea butter and aloe vera extracts. Directions: wash, rinse, repeat, apply to wet hair and massage gently through the hair and scalp. Rinse. Follow with REPAIR-ME, rinse. Can be used daily and as part of our repair regimen. Rinse, apply. Absorb. Rinse. Apply to freshly washed hair and allow the hair to absorb the benefits for 1 to 2 minutes, follow with a refreshing rinse. For optimal repairing results, use after washing with REPAIR-ME wash and as part of our 3-part system from the repair regimen. Legal disclaimer. Statements regarding dietary supplements have not been evaluated by the FDA and are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Top reviews from the United States. The smell is amazing. I bought this because of the fragrance. I wish I could bottle it up as a perfume. I don't necessarily love it as a shampoo or conditioner, I just love the smell of it that much.